Hi, welcome back to Enchantment with Angel. Today's enchanting recipe is a protein rich Paneer Bhurji. Let's get started. In a pan, heat 1 tablespoon of butter along with 1 teaspoon of oil. This will prevent the butter from burning. Now add 1 teaspoon of besan flour and saute it for a minute. To this, add 2 finely chopped onion and saute till it's translucent. Add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and saute it. To this, add 2 finely chopped tomatoes. It's time to add the seasonings. Add salt according to taste, 1 teaspoon of chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, and half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Saute this till it's smashed and everything comes together. Now add 200 grams of crumbled paneer. Give a gentle mix. Now to enhance the flavors, add some Kasuri methi and finally 2 tablespoons of cream or milk. Give a mix and a delicious Paneer Bhurji is ready to be enjoyed. Enjoy this delicious Paneer Bhurji with some hot rotis, parathas or even pav. Do subscribe for more interesting recipes. Until we meet again, bye. Be enchanted.